Welcome back. So you've been working on all the good things to become a great saxophone player. You learned your first song, Hot Crossed Buns. And now we're ready to talk a little bit about something a little more advanced to make you sound even better than you're already sounding. Tonguing. Now in that little excerpt that I just played, I was improvising. I was trying to show you how you can tongue to make notes sound interesting and enunciate notes. That's what you do to enunciate notes when you want to play from one note to the next but have it have a crisp, clear attack. You have to use the tongue. If I don't use the tongue, it doesn't sound so good. Basically, just using your air to start and stop notes is hard to do. It's very hard to get any kind of a flow going, and it doesn't sound very good. Now I'm going to demonstrate doing that, basically what they call huffing, without using the tongue in a scale, and you can hear how bad it sounds and how hard it is. Now let me do it tonguing. So much better tonguing. I can play much faster, smoother. The reason is I don't have to stop my airstream. I can keep the air flowing through the saxophone so all the notes will come out nice and even. So how do you tongue? How do you make that sound? How do you do this? Well, you use the tip of your tongue and you touch right underneath the tip of the reed. You tap with the tip of your tongue right there. And it's approximating the sound to. So if you say to, that's what you do with your tongue. But instead of hitting the roof of your mouth, you actually hit right underneath the tip of the reed. So right there, you'll hit that spot with the tip of your tongue. Now let me do it. I'm going to play one note, a note that you already know. Let's play the note B. And I'm going to tongue. I'll play quarter notes. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now what I'm thinking about is having my air flow continuous, but I'm using the tongue to break the note up. And it has a nice flow, but it still sounds well enunciated. It sounds like a clean, crisp note. Okay, that's what tonguing is all about. You can think of the analogy of a water hose. When water flows through a hose, it's constantly going. But if you took your hand in front of that water and chopped it, there would be a little break. And that's what's happening. I'm using my tongue to break the air so that it has a little bit of an enunciation, sounds like a new note. So now we can apply tonguing to a song that we learned in our last lesson, Hot Crossed Buns. We're going to apply it to the last 4 bars where the quarter notes happen in the song. It's the G, 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 A part. That's where we really can use our tongue the most. And we'll play all 4 measures, the last 4 measures, so we can hear it. So what we're going to do, I'm going to count you off, and I'll play it using the tongue. So we're going to think 2, 2, 2. Get that sound 2. Think 2 as you play. Your air flows. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Feel free to play along with me if you'd like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can practice tonguing on just one note using quarter notes and go up and down the notes you know, or you can practice it in songs like we just did. So keep on it, and I'll see you on the next lesson.